In this lesson, we'll define what leading is and show you how to incorporate it into a paragraph of text. So there's two things that I see here when I look at this text. Number one is I want to make the title of the article a bold font. And I also want to work with the leading. Leading is the spaces between the sentences. I want to get these words closer together. So let's do the bold font first. Click on the layer that you want to change. Let's go to the character palette here. And the drop-down section here where it says regular, let's select bold. And I want to make that font a little bit smaller. Command T to transform, and I'll drag it down a little bit smaller. Press return. Select the description layer. And in the character panel, over the tracking, there's this other option with an A on top of an A. If we hover over it, it says it will set the leading. If we click on that and scrub it to the right, watch what happens. If we scrub it to the left, watch what happens. So I like the space between those lines. What I'm not happy with is the spacing between the article and the description. So I can press the arrow down key to move the description a little bit away from the article. That's a little too much. Let's bring it up just a little bit. I want to give the article and the description breathing room, but I want them to be close to each other still, because we're going to have other articles down the side of this design. This lesson will continue in the next video.